Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. Today in this video, I am going to tell you about a very important topic, that is the map content for class 10 CBSE board for the year 2020-21. Here we go. So 10th standard में map content 5 marks का पूछा जाता है. Out of 5 marks, 3 marks items will be asked from geography and 2 marks map content will be taken from history. Let us see. From the history, chapter 3, nationalism in India, सिर्फ एक ही चैप्टर में से मैप कंटेंट पूछा जाएगा. इसमें से इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस सेशंस, 3 सेशंस will be asked. Like first is Calcutta, September 1920, Nagpur, December 1920, and Madras 1927. Then second part, the important centers of Indian national movement can be asked. Like first, Champaran, that is in Bihar, the movement of indigo planters happened there. Then Kheda in Gujarat, the peasant satyagraha happened. Then third is Ahmedabad, again in Gujarat, cotton mill workers satyagraha happened. Then Amritsar, Punjab, Jallianwala Bagh incident happened. Then Chauri Chaura in UP, calling off the non-cooperation movement happened. Then last, Dandi, again in Gujarat, where civil disobedience movement happened. Out of these 6, anyone can be asked. All these things will be given in the outline map of India and you need to identify. Let's move on geography. From the geography, first chapter, resources and development, all major soil types can be asked in identification. So you need to prepare all major types. Then comes the water resources, dams will be asked. So major and important 8 dams can be asked. Like first is Salal, second Bhakra Nangal, third Tehri, then Rana Pratap Sagar, Sardar Sarovar Dam, Hirakud, Nagarjuna Sagar and Tungbhadra. And they are really very important. I feel any one dam will be asked surely in the 10th board examination. So prepare well and you must know in which state they are. Then it will be very easy as we will go with the lessons. So we will explain you in the detail about all the dams. Then comes the chapter 4, agriculture, major areas of rice and wheat. Then the largest producer states of sugarcane, tea, coffee, rubber, cotton and jute can be asked. From 5th chapter, minerals and energy resources, the thermal power plants, then 3 important plants are given here, the Namrup, Singrauli and Ramagundam. Nuclear power plants, 4 important power plants are given. The list is like Narora, Kakrapara, Tarapur and Kalpakkam. Then manufacturing industries, for location and labeling, cotton textile industries. If I talk about cotton textile industries, then important cities are Mumbai, Indore, Surat, Kanpur and Coimbatore. Iron and steel plants. So the important plants can be asked out of Durgapur, Bokaro, Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Vijayanagar and Salem. और अगर हम सॉफ्टवेयर टेक्नोलॉजी पार्क्स की बात करें तो नोएडा, गांधीनगर, मुंबई, पुणे, हैदराबाद, बेंगलुरु, चेन्नई and Thiruvananthapuram. They are the important software technology parks. Chapter 7, lifelines of national economy. The major ports like Kandla, Mumbai, Marmagaon, New Mangalore, Kochi, Tuticorin, Chennai, Vishakhapatnam, Paradip and Haldia. Any one important port can be asked to locate and label in the map. Then the last part, international airports, very interesting. So in India, out of these 6 international airports, you can be asked to locate and label in the map of India. Either name of the airport can be asked or where it is located. Anyways, it can be asked. So you must be aware about the name of the airport and where it is located. Like Amritsar, which airport is there? Raja Sansi. In Delhi, Indira Gandhi International Airport. In Mumbai, Chhatrapati Shivaji. And in Chennai, very interesting, Meenambakkam. Then in Kolkata, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and in Hyderabad, Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is there. So this way, the list is given so you can prepare well in advance for this examination. So this was the basic framework to accustom you with the latest map content for this year. So as we will move on with the chapters, the map content will be explained you in detail and separate videos will be recorded for this. Stay tuned. Happy learning. Thank you very much.